Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Anna. I wanted to come to you really quick with an espresso tip of the day. Today, I wanted to talk to you about how you interact in other people's Facebook groups affects what you see in your newsfeed. Okay, so if it affects you and what you see in your newsfeed, it's going to affect your members. And when they interact in your group, it's going to affect what they see in their own group. So I just like to give you tips on what I see and what I observe. This is one of those things that comes up all the time. So for example, there are a couple things that affect what you see. One of those things is how your if any of your friends that you comment or talk to a lot on social media, comment or talk in Facebook groups that you have a mutual membership with, the chances of you seeing something in that group in your feed in the algorithm is very high. For example, I have members of my own group who I am friends with on Facebook. We are mutual friends, and we also are mutual group members. If one of those friends comments in a group, most likely Facebook will show me that comment in that group. It basically tells you that your friend is also commenting on something important in a group that you're in. Okay? So how does this affect you? Now, become friends with people in your groups. Become friends so that you can connect in other groups. They see you popping up in their other groups and they know, hey, that's Anna. That's, my friend. So it really affects your business and building relationships if you're in multiple groups together to become friends with them, because Facebook is going to show you the same feed, the same posts that they're commenting on. Hey, Emily is a perfect example. Emily and I share some similar groups. Now, if Emily comments under a specific post in a group that I'm in, chances are Facebook is going to show me that post because it wants me to also say, hey, Emily's commenting, which means you probably think that that's important. So why don't you comment? So if I go over there and I comment, Emily sees that I've commented and she says, hey, she's over in this group too. It brings more and more relationships together as group members, as mutual group members. So it's actually a really good thing to be a part of multiple groups with some of your members, because it's just an opportunity for them to see you more often and them to see how active you are and how much you give and how much you serve people, right? So yes, Emily just proved that. So she sees that in the algorithm. So it's one of those really quick tips that, maybe you've noticed, but you haven't really noticed. So take a look at that and interact. Make sure that you interact in those posts that Facebook is showing you. Here's another kind of a crazy, it's along the same lines. Now, Friday appears to be one of those days that some group members find promotions to be, their go-to post. So typically on Fridays, I see in my feed all the promotion posts in all the groups I'm in, because Facebook says you've engaged with this before, and there are multiple posts that are similar to this that are showing up, and they're suggesting that I see that. And guess what? It helps me out because I want to go in there and promote. So Facebook will start to show you posts that are similar to yours in groups that you're in. So if you're in 3 groups and there are 3 posts that are very similar, Facebook is going to show you those because they know that most likely you are going to engage in that. So take that into consideration when you are creating your content. I know it's kind of grabbing for straws, but maybe, I am not that creative, but I do notice those things. The best thing you can do is just interact and be seen by multiple people in multiple groups, just so that they remember you. That's it. Simple tip. Thanks for hopping on, you guys. Hey, Jennifer, thanks for tagging Christina. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. My day is over and I'm going to go have some fun. Bye, guys.